Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Make.com account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to have other individuals use their Make.com account. How do you actually invite someone? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're going to do is that we're going to click on users. And then on this tab here, you're going to see that there's some blurred out information. You're going to click on invite a new user. Now with invite a new user, you just need to enter their email, their name, their role. So these are all the different roles that you can give someone to your Make.com account. If you want someone to just use your Make.com account, you can just give them as a member. But if you want them to be an admin, they can be an admin. If you want them to handle the finances, you can add them as an accountant, or you can add them as an app developer. But once you go ahead and fill out this information, you just simply click on save and they will be invited to your Make.com account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite a new user to Make.com. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.